Hello guys, good evening. I have just read this article posted in the White House government. The White House imposed sanctions on the International Criminal Court, or the ICC, dated February 6, 2025. Guys, this is good news, and at the same time it's also bad news. So I've just read parts of the article that it says that any foreign person that is a citizen or lawful residence of or an ally of the United States that has consented to ICC jurisdiction over that person, or is not a state party to the Rome Statute, including current or former members of the armed forces of such ally of the United States, current or former elected or appointed government officials of such ally of the United States, and any other person currently or formerly employed by or working on behalf of such a government. Guys, nakakalungkot po ito para sa ating gobyerno sa pangyayari po na pinahintulutan po nilang ipamigay or isurrender or kanilang binigay talaga yung ating former president Rudy Rua Duterte doon sa foreign International Criminal Court. Ay nakakalungkot po dito po, dahil dito po ay maaaring tutulungan ng gobyerno ng Amerika si former president PRRD po Duterte. Yan po ang good news para sa mga supporters ng ating former President Duterte, dahil po dito sa official imposing sanctions on the ICC po. Okay po, yun lang po.